Emotions in Russian is the slogan of kids' collection of Emily Rice. Russian folk traditions, epos and classical poetry, Russian fairy tales and fables of classics are embodied in the kids' collection Emotions in Russian.